Tucked away within the lush embrace of the Ranwalagala Forest Reserve lies a hidden treasure. Peeli Hatha, a small but enchanting waterfall that whispers the secrets of Sri Lanka's pristine waterways. This secluded wonder, cradled by the verdant wilderness, invites those who seek solace in nature's tranquil arms. To find this serene retreat, take the Mathugama-Naboda Road and turn off at the Dahagasmala Junction towards Siddharma Temple. As you near the village, the kind-hearted locals will eagerly guide you to the falls, their voices carrying the pride of their land. The journey is an adventure in itself, with the dense forest canopy casting dappled sunlight onto the path, leading you closer to the rhythmic melody of cascading water. Ranwalagala is a picturesque forest reserve nestled in a mountain. In addition to the villages of Itagoda and Kudalagama, this serene mountain is bordered by the charming villages of Ranagala and Huamba. Ranwalagala is renowned for Palinda Nuwara, also known as Palada Nuwara, a place steeped in legend. It is famously linked to the historic figure of Vidya Bandara, who established this as his kingdom, adding a rich layer of cultural and historical significance to the area. The approach to Peeli Hatha is not without its challenges. The slippery rocks, polished smooth by years of flowing water, demand caution and a steady foot. Yet, each careful step heightens the anticipation, and when you finally arrive, the reward is worth every effort. The falls, though modest in size, exude a charm that rivals the grandest cascades. Surrounded by towering trees that form a natural canopy, Peeli Hatha feels like a sanctuary crafted by nature's hand. The fresh, cold water tumbles from the heart of the Ranwalagala forest, its purity a testament to the untouched beauty of this region. Despite its name, Peeli Hatha doesn't reveal 7 distinct streams. Yet, this detail fades into insignificance amidst the sheer beauty of the setting. It's a perfect retreat for friends and families, a place to pause and immerse yourself in the rhythms of nature. Above the falls, the mountain known as Kodigala beckons adventurers with the promise of breathtaking views. From its summit, you can gaze out over the forested expanse, your eyes drawn to the shimmering blue of the distant sea. It's a moment that captures the essence of Sri Lanka, a land where mountains and oceans unite in a harmonious embrace. Sri Lanka's small waterfalls like Peeli Hatha remind us of the quiet majesty that exists beyond the well-trodden paths. They speak of life's simplicity and the timeless relationship between water and earth. They are gifts that invite us to pause, breathe, and remember the profound beauty that lies in our natural world. Next, we came across Navoda Ranagala Ella, a charming yet small waterfall. At its top lies a natural pool that has been enhanced with a constructed pond, offering a delightful spot for bathing. Additionally, another pool has been built at the base of the waterfall, making it a popular destination for visitors seeking a refreshing dip. We noticed a water snake gliding through one of the pools. Sadly, the beauty of this site is being tarnished by pollution, with garbage left behind by careless visitors marring the surrounding area and the bathing pools. We heard about a natural water pool and decided to check it out. Taking the footpath beside the bridge, we set off, expecting a short walk. However, as soon as we started, we found ourselves stepping through a beautiful natural bamboo archway that resembled a tunnel. Just about 20 feet ahead, we came upon a picturesque stream. Between 2 large rocks, a small waterfall tumbled gracefully into a basin known as Jobana. To reach this beautiful place, take the Matagama-Alithgama road towards Matagama, then turn right at the Horawala Junction and continue towards Pelawada on the Pitagala Road. From Pelawada, take the side road to Baduralia via Kalugala to access the natural pool.
Elephant seat.
The mirror-like, crystal-clear water of the pool is teeming with freshwater fish. Among them, the golden rasbora and the purple headbarb offer a natural foot therapy experience, gently nibbling at your feet. The purple headbarb, a stunning and vibrant fish, is a species unique to Sri Lanka, adding a touch of rarity to this enchanting place. A rarely seen pair of freshwater garfish. These fish, along with other species, are now threatened due to overfishing and capture by various individuals. If you're looking to escape the relentless heat and the dry dust and immerse yourself in the refreshing coolness of nature, this is the perfect place to visit with your family and friends. Breathe in the fresh air surrounded by lush trees and enjoy the serenity of the environment. But please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave and avoid polluting this beautiful spot. We must protect it for future generations to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the Ceylon Chronicles channel. And if you're craving breathtaking natural views, don't forget to check out our trip to Horton Plains.